This is the big mama lona right here. She's spicy. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Kent's Life, and we're back with another video. And today's gonna be a little bit different. It's not a challenge, it's not a prank. We came to see my dream truck. I'm gonna show you a little something. The door. Try to guess by the door.
Bro, all they can see is the door handle. That's too much.
That's too much. That's too much. We're just waiting so we can drive test.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Drive test?
Drive test. Drive test is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie.
Test drive. We came to test driving. Dang. I'm so excited because this has been my dream truck for like a year now, I think. Maybe less. I don't know. We traveled to like Mexico a lot, but he wouldn't take this kind of truck to Mexico because every time we go to Mexico, it's a problem. Like we've always gotten stopped.
Out there be tripping, boy.
And they be trying to finesse you too. So, I'm in love, and I've only seen it on TikTok and like Instagram and YouTube and stuff. So I don't know how I'm gonna react when I see it in person. And the reason we came to see it is because in Jesus' name, it's ours. In Jesus' name, it's ours. Whichever day the Lord decides to give it to us, I don't know. But I just came to claim my dream truck, and I'm gonna tell the Lord, and I'm gonna show the Lord, like, Lord, this is a truck that I like. This is a truck that I want. Oh, Miss Long woke up. This is the truck that I'm going to be driving in 2024 in Jesus' name.
That's not how you
How
talk.
do I be talking?
Dude, you know how you be talking. Bro.
How? He said I be talking about, what's up, guys?
If y'all know her, you know she do not talk like that. And I don't know why.
I'm a changed woman because the Lord renewed me, so I talk different now.
Only when the camera's on?
The blacked out is crazy. That joint fire, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. That joint too clean.
Alright, y'all, so this is not the one that I'm looking for. Now you know which one it is. This is not the one I'm looking for, but it's nice. Woohoo! Let's go see. Dang, got a lot of space too.
This is the... It has a big motor. It's just...
What is this for right? What is this right here?
That's
The buttons.
Drop on the seats there.
Oh, it got speakers in the back. Oh, that's cool. Dang.
All that space, you can basically sleep back here. You get an outlet back here as well, 110 plug-in. The AKG speaker system, it's a lot more premium than the Bose in my opinion.
Can you take this off or not?
Yeah. No clips right here. There's 4 there. You just unclip it.
Oh, it has a spare?
It's right under this. And then your hitch is under this. You can unclip it as well.
It got TVs in here. Like my kids be having to carry iPads because, you know, our truck doesn't got TVs like that. But yeah, this is nice, y'all. Like I see myself driving one of these. This is my mom truck right here. This is my mom vehicle. I'm claiming it in Jesus' name. Watch, 2024. Let me see, babe. How do you like it, babe? Claiming it 2024 or what? Mom truck.
Like it? That's crazy.
See, this is nice.
I can see you driving it too, for real.
Yeah? You like it, Milan?
got the Super Cruise. You see that black strip across the steering wheel?
This right here.
Oh, this is what I was asking you when I said, what is that?
Yeah. Doesn't it have like the acceleration on it too?
Everything. It basically steers and takes direction off your Apple Maps.
Sheesh.
This is not the one that I want. I want the V, but I'm claiming the Escalade V 2024. I'm claiming it in 2024 in Jesus' name. Watch, we're gonna work hard for this. You like it? You like it, Miss Mom? Yeah? Okay.
Especially not right now.
Crazy.
Is that HDMI or is that
You can literally play.
Right here?
Push, but yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, that's fire. What the heck? That joint hard. I didn't even know it had that. Of course, I'm supposed to know everything, and I didn't know it had that. What the heck?
You go to the back and you open it. You got the princess. You got the princess. What you doing, baby? Say hi. Bye. No. Sorry, I had to leave her in her truck. Oh, I don't know what that means, but right. I'm telling you. That's side camera?
That's the front camera.
Oh.
This is the side camera. Or that's the top camera. And then we got those are the two sides. You know, those are the cameras you need. You know, the curves.
Boy, bye.
You already know Jake's gonna be like, oh, you open the room.
That's cool.
It will, I believe it just goes up to this month.
Elliot's favorite LA historian has been writing about all that drama, so we invited her to chat. Let's talk about what.
Don't get nervous now.
Girl, bye.
All right, y'all. So we just got done looking at one of the Cadillacs, but it's not the one that I want. Which one is that
The
one?
regular Cadillac Escalade.
Yeah, so we just got done looking at that one, and he went to get the keys so that we could look at the V, because that's the one that I really want. I want the V. So we're gonna see. We don't know yet if we're gonna be able to see it today.
I ain't gonna lie. That Escalade, just wait.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know. Everything.
Yeah, like
Low key, the cluster, the sound system was cool. Nothing too crazy. Just the cluster. The seat feel good. Like I could fall asleep in that joint for real. I like how they got a little mode. We'll add it in. I don't know. We'll add it right here. Yeah, we'll add it right here. They got a mode that goes up and it goes down. Like the suspension. And I was like, that's fire.
my favorite part was low-key the screen. So there's screens in the
back seat, exactly
seat.
where she gonna be. All right, my bad. Go ahead.
How if it's my truck? So I'm gonna be driving. You're gonna be the passenger princess.
Couldn't be me.
Anyways.
Had the right idea, but the wrong.
So my favorite part was that because we have two kids. We got a 3-year-old and we got Miss Lon right here, 1-year-old, and like we gotta carry iPads and stuff to keep them entertained, and also like the space in this truck is freaking crazy.
I thought my Suburban was big.
This
Like,
one,
this one just. My Suburban is like a Tonker toy for real.
and there's no saying that, like there's no way you should be crashing in this truck because they got cameras all over. Like it even got cameras on the top. Like what the heck? That was so cool though. But yeah, I like it. I love it. But honestly, like I'm being honest, I want to look at the V and just see, you know, what I'm getting myself into, because that's the truck that I really like. And I like the sound that it makes when it turns on. This one doesn't really make it, and it's fast.
It make a sound. It's just not as beefy as
the V.
The V.
And then
Oh, he's got
the V is, you know, a bit faster. Okay, let's go look at the V.
Ooh, that didn't sound beefy.
This is the one we came to see right here. This is the Big Mama Lona right here. Big Mama Lona. Look, check this out. See? Zoom out a little bit.
Same, just the engine's different. You got the diffuser. So it's more appearance. It's more.
So it's nothing different on inside.
Oh, so it's the same.
So apparently he canceled. Really? You guys tell me one thing with
Woo! It's spicy. It is so late right now, and I'm making the ending to our video because I forgot. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please share our video with your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your auntie, your cousin, your sister, any and everybody. But anyways, y'all, before I end this video, like, we were out there, it was so hot and I was so dehydrated. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but I was so hot. Like, I was telling my husband, like, I gotta go home. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I was about to pass out, bro. These are the things that we do to make some content, but I'm not complaining because I love it. But shout out to the people that be supporting faithfully, watching our videos, liking, commenting, sharing. Like, we appreciate you guys, and it's just up from here, y'all. It's up from here. Bye.